Hello team.
And welcome to a new video on rain.gg. Today we got 300 coins as always in balance, sponsored by rain.gg. Thanks for the fill, and we have a 1k race going on. This video will be recorded the same day as the last video. When it gets released, it should be 4 days less. I don't know, I'm not sure. Guys, if you should play on rain.gg, make sure to use code RARI, press apply, and you get a 5% deposit bonus. If you're new on the site, you can press the link in the description. You will get also 3 free cases if we win. It will be a payer, okay? So usually we're just doing the 5% case battle that we always do. That usually always pays, at least at the most of the times. But for today we added a 30 coin case. So the second most expensive case is 13 coins. 2 of them. 4. But the last one is a little bit more expensive. So they already pull, which is totally fine. We can still beat that, especially if we pull on the last case, okay? I think the Shank Yu is a little bit more expensive, 2 more coins, but it's like double the price, the 5% rifle. So we just have to believe that we do pull, okay? We want some pulls. So far, nothing at all. That is kind of bad. And they get another rain spin. It's not a bait. So what's worst pull on here? I guess that. If we pull 200? Yeah. Okay, I think if we pull worst pull, we're still winning, but we don't pull shit, okay? No one pulled anything. That is kind of tragic. So we leave that one for now. Quickly guys, before we continue with the video, if you should play on rain.gg, make sure to click the link in the description. You should get to this side right here. Make sure to press apply on my code. You should get 5% depositing bonus, and if you are new to the site, you will get 3 free cases you can open up. Also, if you are a code user, you will get exclusive access to my leaderboards and deposit raffles, and there are also weekly giveaways on my Twitter. That's all. Enjoy the video. Let's see. So 15 cases. The battle should definitely pay with such an amount of cases. But the question is, do we win or do we lose? And will it pay? Because it doesn't have to, but it most likely should. Like it should. Doesn't mean it will. So far, pretty dry. 1% case. No pulls. Yeah, that looks very dry. I mean, we're winning, but it's not paying. It's not paying at all. Maybe on the get lucky, I think that is the most expensive one. No pulls. Okay, that looks bad, like really bad. Come on. They get a rain spin. We're most likely losing right now. Yeah, we should be. What's that? 18. Okay, we're still winning. We're still winning, but it's not by a lot. And it's also not paying at all. Maybe here a rain spin. Nope. Okay. That looks very bad. The last case is a 1% case. If we should pull on there, it might pay. Now we're losing. That's bad. That's really bad. And we don't get the rain spin, so that's an L. That is an L. Crazy mode would have been the way. Still, the battle still didn't pay, so if we lose that, it's an L session. But yeah, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, I guess. They get already a rain spin, but it's on the cheapest case, so we should be fine. That is 100 coins. Oh no, it's not 45. Oh, okay. Still a cheap case, but let's see what we get. Okay, 2 reds. We have the lead, but the battle is still not paying. Oof. Okay. We pull twice. Nothing insane, but we take it. Come on. Okay. Okay. Don't let the session end here, please. It's not a rain spin, sadly. 3 more cases. Triple? No! How are those 2 baits? Like, come on, that would have been such a juicer. Oh my god. Okay, the last case is pretty scary. How much is that? 93. Okay, it was better than the Neo Noir. And now the last case. Just us or no one? Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, guys. Nice. Don't fuck me now. Give me something nice. I mean, we take it. 300. 200. We take it. We take it. We're almost back at starting balance. Could have been so much more, but we take it all day. 10 cases, 250 coin battle. Let's hope it pays. Let's hope it pays. Damn. Okay. Come on. We get the first rain spin. Let's see what's in there. Let's see what we get. Sadly, I think that's worst pull. We still take it. Yeah, it is. Okay, the AK is 55, 52. I mean, we take it. The Glock. Take that. We want those rain spins. Important. Okay, 2 gloves, 80, 60 only. Okay. And it's not a bait. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Let's see. What is it? I mean, that's 70, so... What's that? Only 100. Is that worst pull? 1 rain spin again. Was that worst pull? It was not. It was not. Okay. But we get another one. Oh, that could be big. That could be big. Let's see. Okay, I think it's not the best. 120 maybe. 150. We take it. They can still pull big time. So let's not celebrate now. But we have a good lead. We have a good, decent lead. 5% case. Not doing much. I think if they get 1 more rain spin, we're fucked. Honestly. Like, we don't have such a big lead. Okay. I think we're fine. Yeah, we're fine. 350. Is it time for another all-in? Basically, take cheaper cases so we can actually hit something. But give me the butterfly and we're fine, okay? Give me the fucking butterfly and I'm happy. Please. Come on. We take it. 300. Yes, sir. I mean, we take it. Still a good pull. The butterfly would have been insane. But, yeah. BCX. Just do it. Yes, sir. Thanks, BCX, for the donation. We take that all day. Alright. 150. Not the best pull, but we take it. Ooh. Okay. 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 Battle is not paying yet. It's a 50-50 case. Okay, we got one at least. One at least. That should be at least like 250 maybe? I don't know. No, never mind, never mind, never mind. But it is! It is. Let's take that. 220, okay. Okay, nice. We keep pulling. We keep pulling. I'm pulling pretty damn good. We keep pulling. Don't stop. Gumbo, let's go. What will it be? And another rain spin. Rari, you went crazy this time. We pulled everything almost. Let's fucking go. What is it? Juice me up a little bit more. Oh, gold. We take it. Still a great pull. 525. Guys. Good we didn't go crazy mode, okay? Good we didn't go for crazy mode. And yeah, before we end the video, guys, make sure to join the wager race 1K. Still some good chances to win. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out. Bye bye.